Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Lakeland Village, local, and long-distance movers near me. We offer the right skilled long-distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot easier. When you want to move 1,000 miles away or even 2,500 miles away, our team will assist. By using the best local moving services to assist you, any kind of relocation, small or large, becomes a lot simpler. If you're searching for a general move or a full-service move, we offer all the choices you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the expense. However, after a close look at the key advantages of working with a California moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. Any respectable moving company will likely help you save time on your local move. Movers can also assure that you don't have to manage any of the heavy lifting. Our moving crew can make it very easy to reach your new location without having nearly as much to worry about. 3 Movers knows how to streamline your move. A move that might take you all weekend to finish, we can take care of in a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lakeland Village moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.